அனைவருக்கும் சிறந்த அன்பளிப்பு சரிகமா கார்வா.
There are some telltale signs of that middle class family, my family, which by mistake has gone to this fine dining restaurant, macha. One of the telltale signs of the middle class family is not just father and mother will go. Full family will go, macha. Father, mother, mama, mommy, amma, fafa, fufa, unnu vitta mama, unnu vitta, you all full like one hamma ke hain kaun antakshari team will go stand, macha. Because daddy's logic is bulk la pona cheaper abedum pa, bulk la pona cheaper abedum. Second logic is in one shot he wants to create an everlasting memory for everybody, so that even if somebody forgets, somebody else will remind them saying, anga ponome marthu vittala, pono, yes, wonderful, lovely place. Second telltale sign is all of us will be wearing the best dress possible, macha. Ayyo, as I'm saying dress itself, some posh people will be thinking dress is what women wear. Dress, no, what women wear is called frock. Frock. In middle class, all clothes are called dress only, macha. Deepavali dress, Pongal dress, birthday dress, that dress only will wear and come. And since the festival, considerable shape changes are happening, nothing is fitting properly. Children are growing this way, parents are growing this way, party is shrinking, pavam abdiye. Grape mari irundhu prune mari andirukum abdiye, just happens to all of us. And mummy will be wearing some kind of shawl or sweater, macha. Because in her head, the Switzerland travel is like, this fine dining restaurant is like Switzerland travel in her head. She's thinking, she's desperately trying to look like Yash Chopra heroine, she'll end up looking like Ooty auntie madri irke. Next telltale sign, everybody will be smiling at everybody. We'll be smiling at the maitre d', not realizing the maitre d', smiling at the barman, smiling at the waiter, not realizing the waiter, because all of them are wearing such nice dresses. They'll be like, even the owner, even the owner, hello sir, how is the restaurant going? Then we will get asked a profound question by the maitre d' entrance saying, do you have reservations? Enna reservation ingiyum vandircha, enna nadakudhu inge, what is happening? Mafsal college mari seat la vacant da irke, edukku reservation. And finally we'll be taken in, macha. And once we get into a fine dining restaurant, you will realize that everybody in the fine dining restaurant, every customer gets the menu. And all the children will be holding a menu for the first time. They'll be like, oh my God, we can order whatever we want. No. Daddy will pass the ordering responsibilities to mummy. Mummy will ensure no capitalism at ordering, only socialism. Mummy will become Mamta Banerjee basically. Or Amma Unavagam, where we can have whatever Amma wants us to have. What can Amma have? Whatever Chinnamma is feeding her. Chathukudi juice saapidungo. Chapta enna agum? Venu peduvinga. I solved the case right there. Apollo, how are you doing? Apollo. And then the excitement will start amongst the young people saying, hey, soup solla, nee solla, hey, soup solla. And then the elders in the family will be like, hey, young generation people, edukku soup? Why do we need soup? And various kinds of kakkus logic will be thrown at you for why soup, macha. Why soup? Hey, soup is for Westerners to build an appetite, ra. We don't need it. Indians are genetically born hungry only. Next to counter logic, they'll say, soup will kill your appetite, ra. Then how can you eat all the main dishes that are coming? Like, soup will kill your appetite. And party will be like, soup is like rasam only. We can make it at home. What the party on a kundu and the priest, Summa Kadagi, Kurta the Saprialia. Mind voice. Hey, party. Finally, daddy will compromise and say, okay, fine, family, let's all have sweet corn soup. Sweet urku, corn urka. Basically, he's saying dessert after getting a cut here. This sweet, all full family, same soup. It will be divided to so many micro fractions. You have to regression quadratic equation to find the decimal point of each thing. By the time the soup comes, one fellow gets soup water, one fellow gets corn, one fellow gets spoon only, macha. This much of soup in this big cup, out to drink. You can't even tilt it because it's fine dining restaurant. We'll be sitting and staring and saying, how do we disturb the gravity of the situation right now? Then we'll remember the Aesop fables, that crane and pebble story. We will find that free bread they'll give, no? What the dump the free bread, soak the soup, cut the eat the soup, macha. Yes. After that, we will send the waiter away saying 20 minutes kapra vaanga, please. Because the next negotiation has to start for the starters. Because even if there are 25 people in the family, only one starter will be ordered for the table. So all will be saying, one fellow say, hey, chicken order panna. Chicken is not made at home. One fellow say, I want tandoori item. One fellow say, I want mushroom. Party will say, mushroom is fungus. Fungus. And party will say, I just want some curds. And the curds could tap the curds. How to break this compromise, macha? That's why in the 1980s, the South Indian, all the restaurants got together, went into the Peshawar and said, we imported one dish all the way from Peshawar via Gujarat to India, macha. It is known only available in South India for no purposes in the starter area. It's called Paneer Tikka Starter, macha. Because it's a Geneva compromise of a middle class family. Because it's got the texture of chicken, it's got a tandoori item, even party loves it because it's basically just curdled milk. Paused just before it became fungus cheese, so mushroom fellows also happy. What a dish, macha. 7 pieces, 17 people, 0.17 piece, each one will get it. By the time the main food comes, the hunger is reached orgasmic levels. Gastric juices of lava mari, eruptive volcano mari. That's when you realize when the main food comes, you can't serve yourself, macha, in a fine dining restaurant. The waiter only will serve you. After that, the tension will start. You'll be like, faster ponga, slower, come faster. Party ki paneer taradinga, party ki dal kudinga, palle kadada party ki. Mind voice. Because he won't just serve it, he'll first announce it saying, grilled paneer with oven roasted capsicum with coriander and a tamarind gravy and a garnish. As you're saying it itself, you're like, no. As it's serving, you'll realize paneer gets over there itself, capsicum gets over there. By the time it reaches party, there's only coriander leaf. With gravy clinging to it like roaming hotspot, a Wi-Fi signal. Worst is after serving the dish, they'll take it and go away, macha. My dad will be like, where are they taking it? What is nonsense? Because in middle class, how can we declare bankruptcy unless we have scraped the bottom ourselves, macha? In the end of the meal, he'll be like, pack everything that's left over. There's nothing left over. It's all over, sir. Patingla corruption. This is why the middle class are getting poorer and the Ambanis are getting richer. Ambanis are getting richer by eating our leftovers, it seems, macha. But the Ambani is only eating everything. His leftovers, his little brother Ambani and distant cousin Adani are eating in the country right now. After that, there's nothing left over, only burp and natural gas. Which Reliance packs into cylinder and we all eat and cook with that bullshit only in this country right now. Yes, who only we're getting. Because that end parcel is a very important sentimental activity for my dad, yeah. Because it's like, Thailand work vandirukana happy ending ilama pomata, happy ending kudinga enakiyathu. Parcel. And luckily we don't have parcel because we don't leave tip and all, nothing. Because if there was no leave tip, you'll only get spit in the parcel. Luckily there's no parcel. So we will all, the entire family will leave with full prestige in our hearts and stomach filled with cheap hunger. Towards the Kayandi Bhavan for... the story was going so nicely and then it just went off like that, no? It's a metaphor for your fucking lives. So if you have money, spend it now. Saving in the future, not future kusu only will be there. South Indians always saving. What the? You save more than Jesus by now, macha. Saving our punya for the next birth, saving our virginity for the first night. If you have money in BNP Paribas, take it out and spend it right now. Enjoy life. Message. Message.